I'm going to take a look at the Wingnut Wings 1/32 scale D.III.A. First off the box is excellent. This is done by a Steve Anderson. Take a look on the sides here. Just a fantastic box art. One thing about this kit is kit retails for $69 and it is available at wingnutwings.com. I highly recommend you go to there and scope out what other kits they have to offer and how to order. The D.III.A comes with 2 decal sheets. I'll start with the first one here. This is the lunge decals for the wings. These decals are printed excellent. They are not too thick, they're not too thin, and they're very vibrant. The second sheet is the markings for the 5 planes that were listed on the side of the box. Again, this sheet's not too thick, not too thin. I think these are just right. One thing I'm impressed about this kit is the instructions. This is basically a manual. It is color printed. It gives you a wealth of information, and everything about this is just fantastic. The first page shows you basically the paint reference, shows you what's in the kit. And the instruction process is, I believe, very straightforward. And as a bonus, it gives you basically historical pictures and documentation to go along while you build the airframe. Just a phenomenal instruction manual. The motor, kit motor and real life motor. The pictures on here are just fantastic. One thing about this kit, you do not get any rigging. You will have to supply your own rigging for this model. But just phenomenal how this is done. The markings for the planes and paint scheme. Basically, this kit comes in 4 sprues, and I did not see any flash or sink marks whatsoever. It's almost a flawless kit, and the detail on it is very sharp, crisp and clean. The wing and the fuselage here. Even got detail inside the fuselage. Just a phenomenal looking model. And the last sprue, the engine and the propellers. You do get 4 different propellers, and if you look, they do label the propellers on the sprue. Detail on here is just gorgeous. And also with the kit, you do get 1 sprue of clear, and you do get 1 fret of photo etch, which is nicely done. Really fantastic model. I do highly recommend this to any modeler. Really great looking kit. And that is the Wingnut Wings D.III.A in 1/32 scale.